Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Peloton bike easy guide step by step clearly. To set up your Peloton bike, start by unboxing all components. Remove the bike frame and place it in your desired workout area. Ensure you have enough space around the bike for safe movement. Next, attach the front stabilizer to the bike frame. Align the stabilizer with the designated slots on the frame. Secure it using the provided screws and an Allen wrench. Now, move on to the back stabilizer. Attach it in the same manner, ensuring it is firmly secured. Once the stabilizers are in place, carefully lift the bike upright. Check to make sure it is stable on the ground. Next, locate the handlebars and connect them to the frame. Adjust the height according to your preference using the adjustable knob. Now it's time to install the seat. Slide the seat post into the frame at your desired height. Tighten it securely to prevent any movement. After that, attach the pedals to the bike. Make sure to identify the left and right pedals for proper attachment. Use a wrench to tighten the pedals securely in place. Now, plug in your Peloton bike to a power source. Turn on the bike using the power button located at the front. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your user account. Connect to Wi-Fi for software updates and streaming classes. Next, adjust your bike settings such as resistance and screen position. Calibrate the bike if required for an optimal experience. Finally, test your bike by taking a short ride. Ensure everything feels comfortable and secure. You are now ready to begin your Peloton journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.